things to get us started here. Your tassel, the guru beads, a scissor, and some clear fingernail polish if you have any. Starting with the tassel, right? You'll notice that it separates here into two separate ends. And this one end is quite frayed. So we're gonna need to trim that down. I like to cut it at a nice kind of sharp angle. We just dab a little on the ends. You'll notice the guru bead has 3 holes. And so it basically functions like a T. Sits like this. So the wide end is on the top, the skinny end is on the bottom. Something like that. And then the tassel sits on the edge to this effect once we get it tied on. Once your nail polish dries, we want to take both ends of the tassel and put them through the chalice looking piece of the guru bead. String it through, okay? Pull it tight on the one end so you can see that space through that hole, and there's room to then add the second one. So that both of your tassel strings, right, are through that bottom. Then we knot it just to keep it safe in there. Now the fun part, the guru bead. So we take one string and put it through the bottom and one of the sides. See, through the bottom, through one of the sides. And once we have that one through, we take the second piece. It has to go through the bottom hole and through the opposite hole on top. Okay. And then we pull it tight. From there, we begin to attach the mala. Okay? And so we have on our mala the end, right? And the end. And both ends have plenty of string to work with here. I'm going to take the first end, okay, and I'm just going to start to knot it here. And I want my knot to get as close to that guru bead as possible. So as I string it here, I'm going to pull it really nice and tight. Nimble fingers. And then I'm going to knot it again. And again, for safekeeping. So you have one half. It's knotted on, it's nice and tight. We will trim that extra string off the other end. And so, as we're working here, start the knot. Pull it nice and tight, so you have your bead as close to that guru bead as you can. Use your fingers, keep it nice and tight. Tighten it on. See, get it nice and tight next to that guru bead. And you can double knot it, you can triple knot it, you can quadruple knot it. Whatever helps you feel like it is on there and it's going to stay. Ta-da! Something like this, okay? Take your clear fingernail polish, dab it on the knot. Once it dries, we grab our scissor. And we trim. Ta-da!